I'm Peter from Solplanet Inverters. We're here at the Raistech warehouse in Brisbane featuring the new Solplanet inverter. This inverter is available through Raistech. It is very competitively priced. As you can see, it's very small, lightweight, dual MPPT, has a built-in DC isolator and is very simple to install. Has a very fast Wi-Fi through the Wi-Fi stick that is included with the product. A simple download of a QR code and you're away. If you want to have a look at this, we're available all this week at Raistech Brisbane warehouse, and we're happy to do one-on-one sessions with you to talk about the inverter, show you the features and benefits and how to install it and what to do with it. It's a wonderful inverter and very, as I say, very competitively priced. Thank you.